Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today's video is my financial abundance binder. I have $80 in prop money, and with this binder, I have 12 saving challenges that I am saving for my sinking funds. And what I'm doing is I'm using my cards I created here. These are 1 through 12, and one of them have your choice on there to help me determine like which saving challenge I'm going to complete. So let's get into it. Boom. Let's mix these cards up. How you guys doing today? And these cards you can find in my Kofi for absolutely free. So go grab it if you want it. All right, let's see first card. We are going to 4. All right, 4 is Keely Creates. All right, let me scoot some down a little bit. And let's see which one we going to scratch. 4, this says 80 plus, amounts 1 through 7. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4. I need to give me a new scratcher tool because this one is not as sharp anymore. So that is a 5. That is cute. All right, let's do another one. Ooh, your choice. Let me roll a die to see which one. 5. Okay. That is the Thrifted Sew Shop. Ooh, okay. So these are these cards here. And I put the dice in here, the colored dice that come with it. I put them in here. So we are just going to grab a dice out of here. I'm not looking. Yellow. Okay, let's get the yellow card. Ooh, that's this one. And then we are going to roll this yellow one, and we are going to 1. And that is $3. Perfect. All right. So $3 is going into this one. All right. Let's do it like that. Let's put that dice back in here. All right, another card. 11. 11 is Liz and Les. Our little penguins, our party poopers. And let's see, what penguin are we going to do? Let's go to the next highest, which is 8. Let's do this one over here. And should we put him? Let's put him down here. Oh no, it's gonna cover. Ah! Oh, I done messed that one up. Oh well. So we just put him here for $8. So do I got two ones? I do. So let's put these 2 ones back and grab a 10. All right, that's our penguins here. All right, let's go to 4. And these cards is just another way to randomize. Is that a word? I don't know. To select which saving challenge to do if you don't want to use a die. So let's see. 4. We back to this one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is a 6. All right. 5 and 6. Let's put this other 5 back and grab a 10. All right, next card, your choice. Okay. 12. So this one is Overthinking is My Superpower, created by Reynolds Budget. And let me see, what are we gonna say? $3. Let's do $3 here. So $3. Perfect. And we're going to 3. Can you guys see everything okay? We got Stuff and Budget. I'm in love with the cocoa. Says $40. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's scratch this one, and that is a 7. All right, 5. Too many ones. 5, 6, and 7. All right, next card. 4. Okay, we are just loving 4 today. Let's see. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is an 80 plus. Because it has this party hat and this champagne down here. These icons. So that's a 3. 1, 2, and 3. All right, next 3. These two are going back and forth. All right, back to the cocoa. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, and I like doing it this way because I don't have to like go and worry about trying to finish all the challenges or get to all of them. It's just up in the air. So $2 more here. What's this? $40 save. Let's see how. Okay, I got enough for the 3 more scratches on that one. 6. I think I'm gonna put. Can you guys see that right there? If I do it, or let me see. Yeah, if I do it like this, or should I just kept it? I don't know. I think you guys can see. Okay. What? 6. Go to 6, and this is Reynolds Budget again. And this is this one. Cheers to a bright new year. And woo, 2 scratches. And this is a mystery save. So this is this one. And that's a 6. So we can't scratch the other one because it's not less than 5. Even though I would love to finish that. 5 and 6. And then what are we going to 2? Have we did 2 yet? I don't think so. Nope. And that is Bookish Mama Budgets. And save $50. Let it snow. All right, 3. 1, 2, 3. And that is a 3. All right, let's go again. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that is a 1, so that's $4. Should I go again? No, 2 scratches is enough. $4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Says 50. 9. All right, let's go up to 9. Crafty Awareness. Oh, this is the fun one. I love this one. So with this one, get back in there. So with this one, it says which budget envelope gets the money. The last one to be scratched off will be the envelope to get all the money. So the nominations that I chose was 1 through 10, and then I got to personalize which sinking funds I wanted under here, and it says choose carefully and good luck. So these are the categories that will not get the money. So the last one standing will get all the money. Yes. So let's go. Let's go 6-sided die. So that is, see, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then let's go down. And then the first one. Let's do here. Home. Oh, my home sinking fund will not get the money. And how much we save? Ooh, $10. And I don't remember how much this saves. So that'd be a great surprise there. And we are going back to 2. 2 is let it snow. I won't sing this time. And we're just gonna scratch. Let's scratch 1. So that is a 2. We're only gonna do 1 since you already did 2 scratches previously. So 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll put that back and grab a 5. 7. 7, have we did? No, we haven't did 7 yet. Which one is 7? Oh, that is, let me get that out. This is by the Humble Budgeter. And it's these cards here. Put this here. Let me get them out. And these are our cute little friends here. And let's roll a 12-sided die to see which one we are doing. So 10. So let's go to 10. Where is 10? Oh, there we go. Oh, look at her. Self-care, don't care. She is relaxed. I want to be her. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 scratches. So let's see. 2. Oop. Let's go here. And that is $1. So let's choose another card since that's only $1 on this one. So that's $1. And let's see. What other card are we going to do? Back to 10. Okay. And then 1, 2. Oh, okay. So that is $11 total. All right. That one was not planned. So let's put that back there. And put this, okay, back there. All right, we got a couple more dollars. Let's see. 10. Which one is 10? Not Dreamy Budgets. Yes. We haven't played this one. All right, this one has these cute dominoes here. And let me see. I'm just going to roll a 6-sided die to see which one of these are we going to do. 2. So where is the one with the 2? Right there. All right. So let's see which one. Ew, I'm scared. I don't know how much the denominations. I don't know. Okay, 3. Okay. Should we do the other side too? I think we should. Oh, no. Oh, I think I'm going to have an IOU. Right in the gut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. $3 IOU. That's okay. All right, let me write the IOU here. I don't have any IOU cards. Let me see. I'm gonna have to clean this one off. Let's clean this one off. I had to do it. So $3. Ooh. Hopefully, I need to remember that. $3 for dreamy budgets. And I need to put it somewhere so I can remember. What is going on here? What? There we go. And maybe I can put this paper clip. Oh my gosh. Maybe I need to put this right there so I can remember. I don't know. All right. But yeah, let me count up and tell you guys how much did each one get. All right. Let's start from the beginning here. Oh dear. Calm down. So the number 1 didn't get anything. Challenge 2 got $6. Challenge 3 got $5, $6, $7, $8, $9. Coming close to finishing that one. All right. Challenge 4 got $10, $11, $12, $13, $14. Ooh, that one got some money today. Why is my hands not working? The Thrifted Sewers got $3 today. I'm actually going to put those cards there. Number 6, Reynolds Budget got $6. And one more scratch. So next week, we probably finish that one. The Humble Budgeter got $11. To our friend living her best life. Number 8 didn't get anything. Number 9 got $10. And then Dreamy Budgets left us with an IOU. So we got $10 plus $3 for IOU. Let's put that in there. Our penguins got $10. Oh, I think got $8, but we had made some change there. And then Reynolds Budget here got $3. So not too bad, not too bad. I think it was only like one, maybe 2 of them we didn't get to do, maybe. I don't know. But that was something fun. We took a risk there, but it's okay. All right, gems, that is it. And once again, if you guys want these cards here, you can find them on my Kofi for free. So go ahead and check it out. Some other freebies there for you. Thank you everyone for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.